Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, DeepTutor, an ambitious open source AI aiming to be a lifelong, personalized tutor for everyone. It's not just another learning app. This project wants to understand your unique learning style and adapt its teaching methods as you grow. We'll explore the architecture behind its goal to make personalized education universally accessible. Think about most AI learning tools today. They often feel like a box of separate gadgets. You might chat with an AI in one window, take a quiz in another, and then use a third tool for research. With every switch, you lose context. But what if a single, unified AI could be your personal tutor, researcher, and examiner, all in one place? And what if it remembered everything you've learned together, session after session? That's the vision behind DeepTutor. It's an open source project from the Hong Kong University Data Science Institute, also known as HKUDS. The goal is to create a lifelong, personalized tutoring system. It's an AI-native workspace designed to bring all those separate learning functions together. And it seems to be striking a chord. The project has already gathered over 26,000 stars on GitHub, with more than 170 added just today alone. It's also been forked over 3,500 times. That kind of momentum clearly shows it's solving a real problem for a lot of people. So, what's the core problem DeepTutor is trying to fix? It's the fragmented state of digital learning. Picture a student studying a specific chapter. They might use one tool for AI chat, but then switch to another to get practice questions. All the context, like the student's weak spots or the specific material being covered, gets lost along the way. The result is a choppy and inefficient learning experience. DeepTutor's solution is unique. Instead of just connecting different tools, it builds everything on a single, unified agent loop. This means the learning context, your knowledge base, your memory of past sessions flows seamlessly. Whether you're chatting, taking a quiz, or doing research, the AI is always on the same page. It's a fundamental shift away from isolated tools toward a truly integrated learning environment. Diving into the tech, the project's design philosophy is described as agent native. This means every function is treated as a capability that's run by one central agent engine. It's not about just bolting on new features as separate modules. The project uses a great analogy. Think of a single master conductor leading an entire orchestra, making sure every instrument plays in harmony. That's a lot better than having different conductors for the strings and the brass. A key technical highlight is its inspectable, 3-layer memory system. This is designed to avoid the black box problem you see in many AI systems, where you can't tell how it's making decisions. Here, the first layer is a raw log of everything that happens. The second layer contains organized summaries, and the third layer provides deep insights synthesized from all your activities. This structure makes the AI's personalization process transparent and easy to review. Another powerful feature is the flexible RAG knowledge base. It supports multiple backend engines like Llama Index or GraphRag. This is a big deal. It means users can pick the best retrieval strategy for their specific documents, whether they're simple text files or complex academic papers. This kind of modularity shows a deep understanding of what professional and academic users really need. So, how is this being used in the real world? DeepTutor serves a pretty diverse audience. Lifelong learners are using it for deep dives on specific topics, getting personalized guidance and practice along the way. Researchers are taking advantage of its multi-engine RAG and co-writer features to quickly organize literature and draft reports. For educators, there's an innovative feature called the Living Book Engine. It can transform static course materials into fully interactive books, complete with quizzes and even animations. And for developers, the project provides a powerful command line interface with structured JSON output. This allows DeepTutor to be used as a backend component in custom learning apps. Getting started is also designed to be simple, with clear instructions for installing with PyPI or Docker. The feedback from the community has been overwhelmingly positive. Both users and technical blogs are praising its ability to turn personal documents like textbooks and lecture notes, into a genuinely interactive private tutor. The core combination of a multi-agent architecture, a RAG-powered knowledge hub, and persistent memory is often called out as a game changer. Right now, it's actually hard to find much public criticism. Most of the conversation is centered on the project's massive potential. But of course, no project is without potential challenges, and it's important to look at them. The unified agent loop, while powerful, could risk becoming a complex monolith over time. As more features get added, it might become difficult to maintain. The system is also highly configurable, which is great for power users, but the many settings files might create a steep learning curve for people who are less technical. There's also a significant security point to consider. The default local installation can execute model-generated code directly on your machine. That's something users absolutely need to be aware of. Finally, the project's long-term success is partly dependent on the health of external projects it relies on, like Llama Index. In the end, DeepTutor is much more than just another AI tool. It represents an ambitious effort to build a single, cohesive, and transparent platform for personalized learning. Its real value is how it unifies all those scattered functions into one context-aware system. By doing so, it sets a new benchmark for what the future of AI in education could look like.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.